I've been onto Reddit. Reading about this thing, this Leatherman arc. I read a lot of comments. A lot of controversy about the price. And a lot of people who have it talking about how much they like it. Well, I'm joining that gang. And as regards the extremely high price, you know, that the way things work is that when you can offer something that no one else can offer, and people are going to want it, including people who have money, including sometimes people who have more money than sense, then you can put whatever price you want on it, because someone's going to buy it. It's just a matter of your business model. Do you want to only sell a few of them at an extraordinarily high price, and then, you know, have a very exclusive clientele, or do you want to try and bang out quite a lot of them and then put it at a price that is still accessible to a good quantity of people? And I think that's what Leatherman did. And it's got a pocket clip. But I mean, I guess I saw today that a lot of them have that now. But I never had a pocket multi-tool with a pocket clip. And I think that's great. Now, I've also thought that I'd like to have something that no one else does, that I could offer, right? And then I can charge whatever price I want, because no one else is offering it, and as long as someone wants it. And actually, well, I do have a triphasic ground bush knife, that I'm working on. But, you know, looking at this thing, I often think about back in the old country, you know, when I go back, and I won't be allowed to carry this in my pocket, if and when I go back to visit. And then I think about all my compatriots over there, all my friends and family and just everyone in the UK, not allowed, right? Now, maybe you just do and you risk it, or you have such a lifestyle that you can always claim you have a valid reason, like you're a policeman. But I thought maybe there's something else you can do with this. I mean, for one thing, yeah, I've heard of people just breaking the blade off, right? You just break the blade off. Well, I thought, well, on this one, you know, you can, it's not pinned in, so you could easily just take the blade out and put something else in, right? Put a, I don't know what, a little magnifying glass, you know. So, yeah, someone's probably already doing that. Someone's probably already offering that. But is someone offering you a kit whereby you can have an option to switch out so that now this is legal carry in the UK and all such hideous nanny states? And, moreover, this blade mounts into a friction folder, right? Imagine this blade with a mechanism, right? Because you've got a hole here, you got a hole there, you got a way that you can build something, build an extra tang onto this, and have it as a friction folder. And so you get your whole original Leatherman arc with the usable blade in UK carry form. If anyone has any thoughts about this, let me know. I did Google how many units does Leatherman sell in the UK, and that's how I ended up on Reddit. Thanks for watching. No, I didn't explain that well. Maybe you think that what I mean is that I'm turning this somehow into a friction folder. that's not what I mean. What I mean is we're going to end up with this. Plus, we're going to end up with a friction folder. So let me think about this. Yeah, let's try this like that. Okay. Now I'm going to more or less guesstimate what's going on down here and take a look. All right, so there's a little catch there. Okay, so this goes down along up a little bit, and then down into a kind of a hook there. Yeah. Got kind of a hook, and that's gonna just go around. Oops. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, and then there's something going on down there as well. Oil here. Guard there. All right. Okay, good enough. Something like that. So, wait a second. Does that mean? Okay, it's kind of complicated, but there's a pivot somewhere here, right? That hole's got to go through, right? So what I'm saying is, and then we got the thumb stud hole here as well. So what I'm saying is, make a piece that fills in all of this. You know, would have to be very precisely machined, but this is already very precisely machined, right? Every single one's the same. So if I just, you know, not I, but if you were to like laser cut the part, I would say a good hard tool steel or maybe carbon fiber or something. Make yourself a tang. Right? Something kind of like this. Right? So now, let's try and do this shape again. I don't know how to budge that, but it would be wibble wobble, pivot, approximately like this. So then all you do is make a handle, right? Put a little bird's beak on it there, a little lanyard hole, some hatching. You know, some people might want a finger guard. I spit on finger guard, but you know, gotta please the clientele. Thanks for watching. Yo-yo. Need some work.